My name's Craig Rispin. I'm a business futurist and innovation expert, and my company is the Future Trends Group. Oh, there's all sorts of innovation happening right now in the building sector. I was just in New Zealand delivering some research there, and we're talking about printing buildings, entire buildings in a day. So, you know these 3D printers that are printing little tchotchkes you put on your desk. Imagine if you had a great big one and it printed out concrete or other biodegradable material maybe as well. And this is already happening. A Chinese company first a year ago built a building, and now they're doing apartment buildings, multiple stories. And this is a big shift. And another way that in the future that we'll be making buildings is growing them. They'll be self-assembled. So imagine just sprinkling some seeds and it grows a house for you. And you might think this is fantastical, but university researchers all around the world are working on this right now, and it'll be an industry within the next few years. So there's no ignoring that the building industry especially is ripe for disruption. I mean, when will we see the Uber of the building industry? I think the biggest challenges for the building sector is they've got the same mindsets from, well, you think about it, there are people turning up on building sites that are doing things the same way they've been doing them for 2,000 years. So if you're used to doing something for all that time, you don't really feel like you can change. So I think the biggest challenge is the mindsets issue. There are a few leaders that have broken out and they've changed the mindset and they've transformed their industry in New Zealand and Australia. And I think we're going to see an Uber of the building industry where you're going to walk onto a site, pull out your iPad, draw your ideal home, download some images from houses or whatever they call it, houses, and you hit print. And a day later, you have your house just the way that you want. And somebody's going to do that. Hopefully, it's an Australian or a New Zealand company. Right now, it looks like it might be a Chinese company.